The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Crawford County, southwestern Franklin County, southern Gasconade County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles south of Bland, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oak Grove, Sullivan, Union, St. Clair, and Parkway. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 225 and 242. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.